Today I'm going to show you how you can reduce RAM uses into your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Basically, you can see over here is high RAM uses and how you can reduce it. This video I'm showing you. So first, we will go to our start icon, click on your right mouse button and go for Task Manager. After that, here you can see into Task Manager in the process section, you can see there are a lot of apps which is turned on and I'm not turning it on into my laptop. So you can click on any of apps and click on End Task, and this is how you can end them by clicking on right mouse button, go for End Task. It will help to reduce your memory, but I will go to the advanced section called Startup Apps. So basically you can see there are a lot of apps those are disabled. Basically I did for not using without my permission. So you can see this Microsoft Edge and it's enabled. Whenever I start my PC, they are start automatically. So for that, I will click on disabled, and by this can help you to reduce your memory. And now we will go for the second option called Registry Editor. Click on Registry Editor. You can see here is the Registry Editor. Click on that. Click yes. So here you can see we are in Registry Editor. And now we will go for the HK local machine. We will going to open it and we will go for the system settings, and then we will going to choose Control Set 001. Open it and we will go for the services section. Click on that. And now we will going to search for MDU. Scroll down a little bit. And here you can see we are in N section and here is our NDU. You can see. So here you can see in the right side, you will get an option called Start. Click on it 2 times and it will open with this edit dword value. So if we keep the value to 4 and click on OK, it will help to reduce our memory. And now we will go for the control section. Just scroll down a little bit. So now we will stop the service section and go for the control section. And then we will going to open. And then we will go for the session manager. After that, we will going to open it. And then we will go for the memory management over here. You can see. So now here we will first go for the clear page file at shutdown. Click on it 2 times and going to give this value 1 and click on OK. After that, we will go for, and now we will go for non-based full size. Click on it 2 times and here you can see we will give a value called 192 and click OK. If it's not worked, you can give the value 0 over here if it's not works. Then click OK and close the Register Editor. After that, here we will go for the search option and going to search for sysdm.cpl and click enter. And the system properties will be opened, and now we will go for the advanced section, go for the performance settings, and here we just need to select the Windows performance over here. So if we select adjust for the best performance, we will going to click minimize the windows and minimize and maximizing and click on show thumbnails instead of icons. So here we will going to select smooth edges of screen fonts. Click apply and then click OK. And then click OK. And so now we will going to the search option once again and going to search for services and click OK. And then here we will first search for the background intelligence transfer service. So we will going to disable it. Click on your right mouse button and go for the properties section. And here we will click on the startup type and go for disabled. And then click apply and then click OK. After that, there are a lot of services that you can turn them off or disable them by helping your reducing memory, RAM memory and I will dedicatedly make another video for this. If you need it, then comment me below the video. And then after that, we will go for the sysmain. Scroll down a little bit, and here is his section, and we will looking for sysmain. Here is our sysmain, you can see. So we will click on a right mouse button, go for the properties section, click on the startup type, going for disabled, service turn it off, click on apply and OK. And after that, we will go for the Windows search. Scroll down a little bit, and here you can find Windows search over here. So click on your right mouse button, click for properties, click stop, and startup type is disabled, click OK and apply. So here you can see this is how you can turn off some of services, and that will help you to reduce memory uses. And now what we do is a very special. So we will go for the Google Chrome, and here we will search for memory reduct. After searching it, we will go for the first link called memreduct download and install. Click on that. And after that, we will get this kind of interface. We will just click on the download, close this, scroll down a little bit, and click on the download for the Windows. And here you can see the download is starting over here, very short. So if I click on it 2 times, if I just click on the folder and click on the memreduct, click yes, close the backgrounds, and if you click on next, just a simple installation guide, click on next, click on install, and you can see it's installed. So they are looking for an update available, so we will not going for that. We'll just need click on next, click finish, and here you can see here is a memreduct. So now what we're going to do is we will wait to open the task manager right now, and we will just make it a little bit here. The memreduct is here, and if here you can see over here the performance section. If you go for the performance section, you can see the memory uses in 59%. This is very quite stable, but if your memory is reaching 98, 90 memory uses, then come over here and click on the clean memory, click yes, and you can see it's reduced into 45, 41%, 38%, and it's reducing. You can see over here. So whenever your RAM uses will be so high, we can just open the memreduct and click on the clean memory, click yes, and it will help to reduce your memory uses.